Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to disable search suggestions in Mozilla Firefox. If you're tired of seeing search suggestions every time you type something in the address bar, I'll walk you through the steps to turn them off completely. This is a quick and easy guide, so let's get started. First, open Mozilla Firefox on your computer. Now take a look at the top right corner of the browser window. You'll see three horizontal lines. That's the menu button. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. From here, select Settings. Once you're inside the settings, look at the menu on the left-hand side and select Search. Now, on the right side, you'll see a section called Search Suggestions. This is where Firefox controls search suggestions when you're typing in the address bar. To disable them, uncheck the option that says Show Search Suggestions. Once you do that, all other search suggestion options will be disabled automatically. However, if you still see additional options enabled, make sure to uncheck Show Search Suggestions ahead of Browsing History in Address Bar Results, Show Search Suggestions in Private Windows, and Show Recent Searches. Now, if you also want to prevent Firefox from suggesting results based on your browsing history, bookmarks, open tabs, and shortcuts, scroll down to the Address Bar section. Here, you'll see several checkboxes. If you don't want Firefox to suggest results from these sources, simply uncheck them. Once you've unchecked everything you don't need, that's it. Your changes are automatically saved. Now, let's test it out. Close the Settings tab, click on the address bar, and start typing something. You'll notice that Firefox no longer shows search suggestions from the web, or any other sources you disabled. And that's it. Now you know how to disable search suggestions in Firefox in 2025. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon for more useful tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.